Hey friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel of NIRS of Class 7 Science. Dear students, I have started the exercise part of the lesson motion and time. So let us continue the today's part. Okay, that is remaining part of the lesson. Let us discuss in the today's class. So we have stopped at the question number 11. Yes, let me read the question now. Suppose the two photographs shown in the figure 1 and 2 had been at an interval of 10 seconds. They had been taken at an interval of 10 seconds. So if a distance of 100 meters is shown by 1 centimeter in these photographs, then calculate the speed of the blue car. Okay, so question is as follows. So look at the figures once again, all of you, clearly. So figure 1 shows the vehicles moving in the same direction of on the road. So all the vehicles are moving on the same direction. That figure 2 shows the position of the vehicles which is shown in the figure 1 after some time. See, look at the position of the cars which in the figure 1, it has been changed in the figure 2. So now the distance covered by the blue car, that is as an evident from the photograph. See, look at the blue cars in both the figures. So the distance covered by the blue car from one white strip to another. Okay, so from one white strip to another white strip, what is the distance covered, that you have to compare. So which is measured by scale is 1.4 centimeter, which can be measured with by the scale with 1.4 centimeter. So it is given that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 100 meter. So it is given that what 1 centimeter should be taken as it is equivalent to 100 meter. Okay, so therefore 1.4 centimeter is equivalent to 140 meter. Am I right or not? Yes. So distance traveled by the car is 140 meter. So the time interval between the two photographs is 10 seconds. So what you need to calculate? The speed. Okay, so speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. Okay, so that's why the distance covered by the car is 140 kilometer and the time taken is 10 seconds. So divide it, 0 0 cancel, and speed is the car has changed its position at, after 10 seconds, that is 14 with the speed of 14 meter per second. So let's go for the question number 12 now. Figure shows that the distance time graph for the motion of two vehicles A and B. So this following figure shows that the distance time graph, okay, for the motion of two vehicles A and B. So which one of them is moving faster? Among these, which one of them is moving faster? You have to look at it here. So look at the distance time graph of the two vehicles A and B. One set distance along a y-axis, along x-axis time. So vehicle A is moving faster than vehicle B. See, look at the diagram, you can see easily. Yes, vehicle A is moving faster with respect to time, faster than vehicle B. Okay, that's why speed is given by the relation or a formula, that is distance traveled divided by time taken. Okay, so this relation shows that the speed of the vehicle is greater, okay, if it covers maximum distance in a given interval of time. See, this given relation shows that the speed of any vehicle is greater if it covers maximum distance in a given interval of time. If same time it is given for both the vehicles, if the distance covered is maximum in a given interval of time, then that vehicle travels with a maximum speed. Okay, so to compare the distance, you have to draw an line perpendicular to the time axis. You have to draw one perpendicular line to the time axis, okay, as shown in the following distance time graph. Okay, so now here you can see when the see that time graph is drawn, time axis, for the time axis on a perpendicular is drawn. So from the graph it is evident that for a given time t1, the distance traveled is by the vehicle is A, which is more than the distance traveled by the vehicle B. Hence, A is moving faster than vehicle B. Okay, so now let's go for the question number 13. Which of the following distance time graphs shows a truck moving with a speed which is not constant? So here four diagrams have been given. So among those, which of the following distance time graphs shows a truck which is moving with a speed which is not constant? What is not constant? Okay, so the graph 3 shows the time graph, okay, which is moving with a speed now but not constant. So in a distance time graph, the constant speed of a truck will be represented by a straight line. If it is a straight line, then the vehicle is moving with a constant speed. In distance time graph, what happens here? A straight line parallel to the time axis. One straight line is drawn in the second figure, which is parallel to the axis, time axis. Okay, so which indicates that truck is not moving at all. Okay, it is a rest position. And a curved line shows that on the distance time graph, that indicates that the truck is moving with a speed which is not constant. Okay, so this is what the explanation for the given question. Okay, so dear students, for up to this, the exercise part of the lesson motion time is completed, and tomorrow let us start with the new lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.